Being a business owner and focusing on employee safety is a very critical component, especially when you have a shop and you have lifts. We actually had a lift failure, so I called my buddy Rick out here to take a look at the lift and go through it and make sure that it's safe for us to use. Now, luckily, no one was injured and we didn't have any physical damage happen to the vehicle, but we want to make sure that our vehicles are always safe. So we're gonna have Rick come out here on an annual basis to inspect our lift. He just finished servicing it, and I wanted to give him a shout out because if you have an automotive shop and you need affordable quality service with your lifts, be sure to give Rick a call.
Well, thank you, Blair. Drove a little distance for this one.
Yeah.
Found out it was all about a TV show. It's pretty cool. He had a truck fall off. We put an arm restraint on it, took care of that, serviced over the full lift, and he's ready to go. Also, he wants to do inspections on the lift annually, which I recommend anybody doing. He doesn't want anything to happen, and I recommend it.
So what's the best number for them to call to get a hold of you?
410-574-8888.
Alrighty, I trust the lifts that he services when I'm underneath them, and I think you guys should too. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, happy motoring.
That's Baltimore Autolift.